Hi, everybody, welcome back to Digibur. Today I'll be showing you 3 ways to fix a locked iPhone saying iPhone unavailable or security lockout. So how to fix this up without passcode or without iTunes? Let me show you what to do. So, your iPhone will display the iPhone unavailable or security lockout alert only when it receives repeated wrong passcodes. When you enter several incorrect passcodes on the lock screen, your iPhone will disable itself to protect your personal data for security, which makes sense. So when you input wrong iPhone passcode over 5 times, you'll be told your iPhone is unavailable. Try again in 1 minute. That's fine. You can wait and have another try later. But if you fail to unlock your iPhone next time, the lock timer gets to 5 minutes. So the more failed attempts you try, the longer the lock timer will be. When it reaches 1 hour, your iPhone will never let you in unless you use the correct passcode on the last attempt. But don't worry, like I said, I'm gonna show you 3 workable ways to unlock your unavailable or security lockout iPhone without using a passcode. So let's dive in. So the first way we're gonna take to unlock an unavailable iPhone is to erase it. Alright, before we start, you should know that your unavailable or security lockout iPhone can still be unlocked. To do so, your locked iPhone should be reset to its factory settings so you can get into your phone and create a new screen passcode. And remember, this method only works for the iPhone connected to the cellular or Wi-Fi network. If there's no internet connection, wait till the given time on the lock screen expires. Then swipe into the drawer and connect your phone to available network. So now, as you can see, this iPhone is stuck on the unavailable lock screen. Now you need to keep entering the wrong passcode until the try again in 15 minutes message shows up. That's where you will see the Erase iPhone option. Tap on it, and confirm your option. To proceed with that, you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password here. So we just follow the instruction and type the Apple ID password. Now, you can see the unavailable iPhone is getting erased. After that, the Apple logo will show up just like this. As you see, this iPhone has been reset successfully. You don't need a passcode to get into it. It's totally unlocked now. Just simply set it up from the beginning and give it a new passcode. Alright, let's move to the next one. So if the Erase iPhone button doesn't show up on the iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen, there's an alternative way you can get into it if you've enabled the Find My feature on your locked phone. Before the unlocking, make sure that your locked iPhone has cellular or Wi-Fi connection. And you'll need another device to log into your iCloud account. So now, on another device you can use, go open a browser and visit iCloud.com. Then sign into your Apple account with your Apple ID and password that are used on your unavailable iPhone. When you finally get in, select the Find My icon just like I do. And choose all devices here to find the unavailable iPhone from all your Apple devices. Once you select your locked phone, you'll be given the Erase iPhone option finally. Now, as the same, we select the Erase iPhone option and confirm it. Here, you may be asked to do the 2-factor authentication to verify yourself. After doing that, your unavailable iPhone will start the erasing process and get itself unlocked. Wait for a moment, you'll be able to access your iPhone when it restarts. Okay, now, let's move to our last method. Actually, unlocking an unavailable or security lockout iPhone can be very easy if you try this all-round iPhone unlocker. You don't have to use your passcode or Apple ID. It just quickly removes your forgotten iPhone passcode and lets you get access back. So first, I just open it on my computer. I'll drop the download link in the video description below so you can get it on your PC or Mac. Alright, from this simple interface, select Swipe Passcode to start. And then get your unavailable iPhone connected with your computer. Make sure to follow the on-screen steps to get your iPhone into recovery mode. As you can see, here's a very detailed guide to enable the recovery mode on your locked iPhone. And I'm gonna use my iPhone 13 to show you how to enter the recovery mode. If you're using other iOS models, just find your device type and follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, once connected, I just turn off the iPhone. And now, watch carefully, press the volume up button once, then press the volume down button, and hold the power button. Keep holding it for like 10 seconds. Do not release it until this recovery mode screen appears. It will show up after the Apple logo, so make sure not to release the button before that. And then, my computer just recognizes my locked iPhone. So here, I just simply confirm my device information and allow it to download an appropriate iOS firmware for my phone. All of this is to get ready for the unlock. So when the download is finished, we enter 0000 and click the unlock button to proceed. So now, as you can see, here's a loading bar. When it finishes, my unavailable iPhone will be totally unlocked, just like this. You see this? No more passcode required. I just swipe up and go through the setup. And now I can use my iPhone again. If you're using other types of iPhone, just do the same, connect, get into recovery mode, download iOS firmware, and get the unavailable or security lockout iPhone unlocked. So guys, as you can see, we've successfully done the unlock on an unavailable or security lockout iPhone. Hope this video helped. And if you like it, please kindly give us a thumbs up. We'll keep sharing useful tech guides, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.